Okay, picture this. 4.5 billion years ago, a huge cloud of dust and gas collapses, igniting our sun.
And in that spinning disk, stuff started sticking together. Think of them as baby planets, including ours. Early Earth was basically a volcanic mess. It was spewing out all sorts of toxic gases, nasty stuff. But then, something huge happened. A collision so violent, it changed our planet's future forever.
Yep. A planet about the size of Mars, called Theia, smashed right into our baby Earth.
All that debris got pulled together by gravity. This didn't just form the moon, it stabilized our climate.
Fast forward to 3.8 billion years ago, the planet finally cools down enough for oceans to form.
Then, the very first land pokes out of the ocean. It formed a tiny supercontinent called Valbara.
And get this, life itself started changing the planet. It all began with this new organism, cyanobacteria.
Continents shifted around. And then, boom, a sudden massive explosion of new, much more complex life.
This is when we see animals get tough, developing things like shells. You've probably seen these guys, trilobites.
But this creative burst didn't last. It was followed by the first great extinction. A grim preview, really. Let's jump to the time of Pangaea. A massive global warming event triggered the worst extinction ever.
How bad was it?
Well, this one event wiped out something like 90% of all species.
But out of all that destruction, an opening was created, paving the way for the planet's next rulers.
And after ruling for 150 million years, well, another catastrophe came and wiped the dinosaurs out.
With the dinosaurs gone, mammals got their big break. And eventually, this led to the very first humans.
For thousands of years, things moved pretty slow. Then the Industrial Revolution changed, well, pretty much everything.
And that led to an insane population boom. I mean, it's a curve that's still shooting upwards.
But all that growth comes with a price. A new, human-made threat is now looming over the planet.
You know the signs. Temperatures are climbing, sea levels are rising, and species are vanishing. It's happening now.
So, after 4.5 billion years, what's next? What does the next chapter for Earth look like?